Welcome to EES Consultancy. Riga, Latvia's capital, is set on the Baltic Sea at the mouth of the river Daugava. It's considered a cultural center and is home to many museums and concert halls. The city is also known for its wooden buildings, Art Nouveau architecture, and medieval Old Town. The pedestrian-only Old Town has many shops and restaurants and is home to busy Livu Square, with bars and nightclubs. There are numerous speculative theories for the origin of the name Riga. It is an adapted borrowing from the Livonian ringa meaning loop, referring to the ancient natural harbor formed by the tributary loop of the Daugava River. It could be derived from Rige, the German name for the river Ridzine, a former tributary of the Daugava. Bishop Albert claimed credit for his campaign to conquer and convert the local populace, as coming from the Latin regata, irrigated, symbolizing an irrigation of dry pagan souls by Christianity. However, the most reliably documented explanation is the affirmation by German historian Dionysius Fabricius, 1610, that Riga's name comes from its already established role in trade. Riga nomen sortita est suum ab edifices vel horis quorum alitus Dunae magna fuit copia. Quaes livones sua lingua rius vocare soliti. In Latin, Riga obtained its name from the buildings or warehouses found in great number along the banks of the Duna, which the Livs in their own language are accustomed to call Rii. The J in Latvian Ria, Rie, hardened to a G in German. English geographer Richard Hakluyt, 1589, corroborates this account, calling Riga Ri, as pronounced in Latvian. Good day.